Porsche. The Macan is Porsche's most popular model in Australia. The 5-seat all-wheel drive SUV accounts for more than 50% of local sales. This is its first facelift, and in all reality, it's not that big a deal. The diesel has gone in accordance with Porsche's global policy, which leaves us for now with the entry-level 2-litre 4-cylinder and the version we're driving here, the 3-litre V6 Macan S. There's a new, slightly more powerful and cleaner turbocharged engine borrowed from Audi that bodes pretty well, and there's no doubt it's got some brawn. But Porsche has invested in other areas of the Macan too, with more noticeable impact. But plenty stays the same, and in some ways that's a good thing. The downside of that is a firm ride even in the most supple, normal setting, but it's a trade-off plenty of people will accept. It's such a good drive, it's hard to believe the Macan is actually an Audi Q5 Porsche has reworked. They've certainly achieved something special. Inside, the big improvement is a much larger media screen with heaps of added functionality. Not so impressive is the fact the Macan still doesn't feature standard autonomous emergency braking. The Macan is not the most generous car for rear seat passengers either, but we already knew that. It won't be until the next generation arrives in the early 2020s before such fundamentals can be addressed.